Homeopathy has a long history of treating and preventing epidemics ever since its inception more than 200 years ago. Even in the state of Kerala, there is a history of treating and preventing typhoid at Ernakulam, cholera at Alappuzha and Attapadi, Japanese encephalitis at Alappuzha and Kasaragod, and chikungunya all over the world, all over the state of Kerala. Its effectiveness in the management of viral diseases has proved beyond doubt on any number of times. Homeopathy, being one of the most sought after alternate system of medicine all over the world, is also being looked upon by many governments, including India, for prevention and management of COVID-19. In Kerala, the Department of Homeopathy imparts prophylactic activities through REACH, that is Rapid Action Epidemic Control Cell in Homeopathy, which officially looks after all the epidemic state of Kerala. The Honorable Chief Minister of Kerala, Sri Pinarayi Vijayan, has announced using Arsal 30 to be distributed among Kerala public as an immune booster to combat COVID-19. The Indian Homeopathic Medical Association, that is IHMA, being part of REACH at different levels, is helping the Department of Homeopathy to distribute these medicines all over Kerala. It has already distributed the medicines to more than 35 lakh people. The preventive medicines were also distributed to the most vulnerable groups such as police, legislative members, media persons, and the Grama Panchayat officials and volunteers.
So Kerala is the first state where COVID-19 has started. So it is in January 30th we have noticed the first case. As of 27th April, there have been 481 confirmed cases with 355 recoveries and 3 deaths in the state. Kerala has the lowest mortality rate of 0.62% among all states in India. So our government has declared lockdown. We have introduced Break the Chain campaign. It's a hand wash campaign and insisted social distancing also. In Thiruvananthapuram, a district task force under district collector is evaluating our functions, our duties. There was a review meeting every day. So we discussed about the surveillance, case detection, swab testing, hospital admissions, quarantine people observed in homes, hospitals and corona care center. We have surveillance at airport, railway station and in road entry points. So homeopathic department and Ayurveda department, district medical offices, they are attending the everyday review meeting of district collector. In these circumstances, homeopathy department started telemedicine. So medical advices was given through mobile phones and the medicines were provided from the nearest hospitals, homeopathy dispensaries or hospitals. Luckily, we have hospitals in every LSGDs. In our Trivandrum Corporation and municipalities and in all panchayats we have institutions. So first thing we started is the telemedicine. So many queries they are inquiring. Okay. Homeopathy department has started 4 mobile units in Trivandrum. We reach people's doorstep and rendered service. We give them medicines, we advise them and give our immune booster drugs. Now we have 4 mobile units in Trivandrum. We are covering the hilly areas, the coastal areas, the rural people's problems and every panchayat we visit. Our mobile unit is working with the help of Indian Homeopathy Medical Association. Homeopathy doctors worked in airport, railways and as a part of medical checkup to the passengers. So in all areas of Thiruvananthapuram district, we distribute our immune booster drug. So it is a drug suggested by the Ayush Ministry, Central Ayush Ministry. The name of the drug is Arsenicum album 30. It is not a new drug, but it is found effective in all viral diseases, especially affecting the upper respiratory tract and lungs. So this is not a new drug. It is found effective, in previous illnesses, previous cases. So it is a safe and simple medicine. It's given to all types of, all categories of people. Our organizations like IHMA, IHK, residents associations, ASHA workers and Kudumbashree members, they are helping us to distribute this medicine throughout the state. In Trivandrum alone, we have distributed more than 7 lakhs medicines. That means 7 lakhs people are benefited with this medicine. There is more demand from the public. We cannot meet the demand. That is the one and only problem. So we are serving, giving medicines purchased from our own government institution, HOMCO, Homeopathic Pharmacy, situated at Alappuzha. So the demand is more, and people are more accepting this our system of medicine.